Hello, I'm Mrs. M, and I started out in the cleaning industry probably around 25 years ago. One of the problems I had, or one of the major concerns, was how do I find cleaning customers on a regular basis? I've got a mortgage, I am concerned about making sure that I am not having to, do the search and hunt and chase for cleaning customers on a regular basis. So after a lot of trial and error, I actually found several methods when I started not only one, not two, but three successful cleaning businesses that scaled to six figures and beyond. And I was able to come up with a system that actually works when it comes to customer attraction, a system to set up where you actually get them to sign the contracts where they're excited to work with you, and how to retain them. If you'd like to know all of this and more, then make sure you register for my masterclass. It's actually 10X, how to 10X your commercial cleaning customers within 30 days masterclass. We have an absolute ball. If this sounds like something you're interested in, if you're ready to get fired up about how to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond, then click the link to make sure you register, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. Bring your pen and paper because you're going to have a lot of notes to take. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.